We'll start now the string module. Okay, string module. So we take the import to string, right? So before this one, let us see now just help of string means what will return? Tell me now. What will return? Help of string means what? It gives all the data about the string module. All about the string, right? String module, guys. Just observe here. It gives all about the string module, right? What's the name? Name is a string, right? And some description is there. Like this, it will give about the string module, guys. Some class is there, methods are there, right? Okay, some functions are there here. Okay, so some variables are there like this, right? So string is a module which contains some functions, some variables about the string. That means suppose I want to get all characters from A to Z. I want to get all characters from A to Z, right? So here in the string module, okay, ASCII letters. ASCII letters is the a variable name in the string module, right? If you want, you can observe here import to string, right? Import to string. We'll take it now. Print of what? Print of. I take the ASCII letters like this. Now, all of you observe. Now run this one. Run this one. It gives all letters. So all lowercase letters A to Z, and also all uppercase letters are A to Z. So letters, ASCII letters. I want all lowercase letters only. I want all lowercase only. Then here, what is there? What is there here? ASCII, okay. Lower, I think lowercase. I think lowercase, right? What is there here? Only lowercase letters are there. I want to get all uppercase only, for example. Then what is there here? Which one? Like uppercase is there. You get only uppercase letters. Only uppercase letters. And I want all digits. All digits I want. Then so here take this one. Okay, I think the digits. Digits. Right, you can see, right? So from 0 to 9 digits, right? So like this, there are some variables here. ASCII letters means what here? You get all lower and uppercase letters, right? Next one, only lowercase, only uppercase, and digits. Okay. For example, let's take now print of string dot printable. Right? Printable means what here? See, means whatever you can print, right? Those all displaying, guys, including uppercase, lowercase, digits, special characters, everything is coming here. All of you know, right? Digits first of all, then lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and all special characters are there. Means from the keyboard, whatever you can print on the screen, on the notepad anywhere, those are called which one? What's variable name here? Printable. Printable, right? That means they all are coming, guys. All of you, right? Okay. So what's first one? ASCII letters. Second one, ASCII lowercase. Next one, uppercase. Next one, digits, and printable, right? Printable. String is there. I just take the yes. Then what we use here? Just yes dot, right? We can use the alias name yes dot. Okay, alias name yes, like this, like this. Fine. So keep adding string function. Sorry, string module. And string module. So take this all. The first one letters, right? So not equate all, just A, B, C, D, and so on. So last one Z, small z, or just take the X, Y, Z. Next one capital A, capital B, capital C, and so on. But last one here, capital X, Y, Z like this. Over. This lowercase means what here? Lowercase means just A, B, C, D, and so on, X, Y, Z. Displays right? You can see guys here. XR digits, right? And after digits. XR means what? Huh? 16 after means 8, right? And printable, just now you have seen printable, right? And punctuation. You can see there, right? The punctuation means which one here? Huh? You can see here, let me know. It is print off at S dot punctuation, right? S dot punctuation, right? So what is happening here? All special characters coming, right? Punctuation. And next white space means which one? Slash and slash T, right? Next one, yes, digits, letters, all over, right? And it's giving the end of the day, which one? The path giving, right? You can see the path of the file, right? Same yesterday, like we have seen the calendar, right? That was available where in the lib. What was available in the previous case? Calendar. Now what is available? String. Okay. So don't save the name with the string. String is a predefined name, right? And one function is there, guys. What's function name here? Cap words is the function, right? So what's cap words? All of the. Let's take the one string in the all lowercase. I'm taking the one string in the all lowercase. And what's function name? Cap words of st of st. You can print it now, right? Let us see now. So Cap words, W, right? Yes. You can see now, right? What is displaying here? I am giving all lowercase, but cap words means the first character of each word coming in the uppercase. It's equal to which function? Title function, right? Yes or no? Suppose apply the same one, title. I take the print of st dot what? Right, title. Begins, right? Same cap words is the function of the string module, which is equal to our title in the string concept. Okay, right.